Well, so I know this GoPro's got a handful of other modes. And one of them is this, so I got this ultra-wide lens for it. And I've been using it in a linear mode to try and reduce some of the fisheye effect. But I thought, what the heck? I've got the mode. I got the full lens. Let's try it with the really ultra-wide. If I like it, great. If not, I won't use it again. So let's see what egg collect is like with the ultra-wide here in Chicken Manor, and with a full can of scratch. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. They already had some, so I'm not going to go crazy. We'll give these folks a little bit. Hi, Miles. Is the grass greener right here with me? We could really run that thing for a little bit, couldn't we? Let's give that. Hey, Mr. Louie. I am glad you're liking that. We're going to run the goat spigot for 10 minutes. That might not be enough, but I love that he can run over and chug a lot of clean water. You're making noise. Okay, we're gonna see. I'm gonna go put the dog in the house. I'm gonna stand right here. We're gonna see how many goats are right here. How many goats and sheep are right here when I come back. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Poof! Okay, we lost a few. Not a lot. A few. I remember. I am already thrown off. This has been a very long day. I got the buckets. I was coming over here. The dog was barking. Put the dog away. Okay. That David Byrne song. Well, how did I get here? Well, I never really closed that. That's not good. Hello, bunny. How are you? We'll pretend I don't see you. Get away. right, Chicken Manor. That was Scratch. I'm guessing 4. Ooh, 5. A monster. The size of that. Ooh. That could be a double yoker. Dirty though. Okay, off to a rousing start with 5 here in Chicken Manor. Six, 7. At least 2. 6, 7. We are at 7. Going in to the main coop. So let's add a little light to the subject. Go away. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's a nice haul. Little clean eggs there. That's excellent. Thank you, chickens. One, 22, 23. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 32. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Nice, 41 before we go around the corner. That's awesome. Let's see what they got for us down there. Really? You couldn't see me coming? Why did I bring that? $42, $43. $44, $45. That's broken. I don't know if that one is. $46, $47. Ooh, $47. That's pretty cool. Is that it? 47. 47. Well, that's better than average out here. Love to see 50 out of all y'all. Okay, back in Gen Pop. They've all been scratched. I should be able to sneak in and do a nice quick egg collect. I did not pick up duck eggs today. Didn't learn my lesson from yesterday. Hi, Kev. How you doing? Is that you? Thanks. That's lovely. Whoop whoop. Let's bring that for ducks. Let's see what we can find. Hopefully we can find more than a couple. Looks like there's a few back there. Boy, it's crowded up there tonight. I'm a little late in egg collect, so not surprised that there's a crew up there already. That's 3. Oh, that was a big glob of crap right in the middle of my back. All right, well, I guess 3 is 3, huh? 3 is 3, and getting shit on is no fun. So, Broodies, my Broody Bench, let's get our count on, shall we? Before we get our poop done. I got 2 freebies. 1, 2. That was fun. A little speckly. 2. Like nothing else in anything else. All right, Callaway. Nothing? Nothing from you, sweetie. Nothing? 3, 4. Oh, it was a bouncer. Thank goodness it wasn't a wet one. All right, 4. I was fixating. Have I gone? I got 2 out of you. Oh, 5. Thank you. That's a very pointy egg. Oh, thank you. 5. 6, 7, 8 with the broken one. 8 with the broken one. What do you have under here? 9, 10, 11, 12. 13. You pecked at me. See you, Callaway. All right, 13. $14, $15. $16, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21. So 21. Plus 47. Broken chicken was 1. And then duck was 5. And then Carolyn found some others, so I'll enter those a little later. And I'll have a grand total in the comments on the video. All right. I think that's it. I could tool around one time real quick and just make sure there isn't anything obvious, super incredibly obvious that I've missed. I'll be interested to see what this video looks like on this ultra-wide lens, using this ultra-wide lens at its full power. I have a feeling it'll be a bit more fisheye, but you know, you may see stuff out here. See duck eggs in there. There's one. Those ducks. Oh, it's broken though. That's too bad. Never hurts to look around, huh? I have a duck egg. Is that what you're interested in? Or you just want to say hi? Were you just feeling snuggly? Well, hi. That was my big boy, huh? boy. How's my Louie? You sweet thing. Yeah. When you want to cuddle, you want to cuddle. Was that you? I don't think that was you. Cece, are you coming in trying to ease your way in here for a little cuddle? Is that what I got going with it here? Yeah? Okay. I'll cuddle. Just a little. I got this egg in my hand. Tell you what, we'll set it right down there. Don't step on it. My buddy. You're so sweet, Cece. You're my sweet sheep. Yes, you are. Okay, let me get that egg out of here. That's gonna be a mess. I'm gonna come through here. Thanks, man. All right, that's it. Tell you what, we'll say our goodnights here. Good night, everybody. I will see you back for bedtime before long. Good night, sweet girl. Not good night yet. The hell? All right, kids, try and keep it, somewhat sane.